Alright, we are back in Burnham today, and this temp star right here is running. I don't know the age. And then back here we have a Carrier Tech2000 silencer system. Now these units are cool. This one is a 2003 5-ton 38 YRA. And I can't get to the data on the temp star, but yeah. And right here we have a 2015, I believe, Carrier Infiniti that is uninstalled. 2015 3-ton Carrier Infiniti, 19 SEER. And it has been uninstalled for quite some time. That's unfortunate, because this was an expensive unit back in the day. So yeah, thanks for watching.